Yo, what up, babe? How you doing, guys? My name is Sangiev. Welcome back to another video where today we've got two boxes that need to be unboxed. I've been sat on one for well over a week now. Been dying to open it, but I was waiting for both of them to come through. So we've got one big one, one small one. One is from Barneys. I know what's inside. I'm super gassed. The other one is from Bare Knuckles, which, if you guys aren't aware, is Jacob Keller's and Cole's brand. Jacob, obviously one of the OGs in the men's streetwear scene on fashion, on YouTube, sorry, not on YouTube, on With that being said, let's get straight into this guy. As I said, I've been waiting, man. I've been waiting for some time now. This arrived fairly quickly. I just want to say a massive thank you to the boy Jacob as well for granting me early access, just because I knew that I'd be busy when the drop went live. I was very fortunate and very grateful. I know that the boy did throw in an extra goodie for me as a thank you, but I'm very appreciative, man. So first up, we have the t-shirt, the black washed tee in a size medium. Ooh. Okay, instantly. I like the cut, man. It's very, well, it's not very cropped, it is cropped. It's soft to the touch, bare knuckles at the front. You've got this sort of vintage faded look to it. Blimey, it is cropped and wide. Already, I know that I hope if it fits the way that I think it will, I'm gonna be gassed. Such a sick tee. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to be leaving links to everything that I'm going to be showing you today in the description box down below, so hopefully you can go and check it out. I'm fairly confident that this piece is still available, so that is item number one. And then number two, and obviously I think this is perhaps the most hyped piece out of the bunch. You've got the striped denim jacket. Oh, so I saw this piece being worn by Jacob on his Instagram for a while. He teased it. Man, what a beautiful piece. Killed it. You've got this cropped detailing. I went with a size large on this guy. I was speaking to Jacob about it. I could either go for a medium or a large. I just figured if I go for a size large, it would be ever so slightly oversized whilst still keeping the intended cut, which is fairly short on the body. But this looks a lot shorter in the body than I had initially anticipated and thought of, so I'm super glad about that. You've got this, it's not painted on, is it? Was it printed on? It's going to be harder to pick out on the camera, but you've got this faded black wash with, once again, the faded red wash, I guess. Stripes going down the body, the sleeves everywhere. Man, this looks beautiful. I cannot wait to try this on. That's the two items from Bare Knuckles. In fact, just because there isn't much information with regards to the brand, I don't know much about it, I thought, why not just ask the OG himself? So we're going to jump on a phone call now. Let's pick at his brain with regards to the brand. Let me just FaceTime. Jacob Keller. Always got to do your hair when you're talking on the phone, mate. Are you going to pick up, or is this going to be super awkward? In fact, let me just scooch over this side so then.
Oh shit, I didn't get a shirt on.
Mate, you've got...
Hold on, let me grab one.
Alright, take it.
What should I do, man? What should I do? What vintage shirt should I do?
I mean, take a single stitch one, mate. That's all that matters.
Okay, well, we got the doors one. Man, what's going on, dude?
How you doing, bro? You good?
I'm great, man.
Did you just get up?
Yeah, well, Bruce always wakes me up at about 6:30, so I'm kind of forced to wake up.
6:30.
Go to the bathroom.
I just wanted to ask you some questions with regards to the brands, because obviously it's you and Cole's brand. There isn't that much information with regards to it online, and so I figured let me just ask a few questions that people want to know.
I'm down, man.
Yeah? Alright, sick. So first up, Bare Knuckles. Do you want to talk us through the name and how that came about?
We knew we wanted to do something. We've been doing this since July, so it's almost been a year, but you know, it took that long to get product out. We knew we wanted to do something, so then we were like, God, we really gotta like brainstorm names. We had like a few, but then Cole said Bare Knuckles, and I was like, because we really loved the show Peaky Blinders.
Okay.
Which I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with, and like we've seen like every episode, and we love like how they wear like the high-waisted trousers. You know, it kind of like, worked out. And then I think Arthur said something about bare knuckle boxing, and then I think that was what kind of like
triggered it,
inspired the name. And for us, like it kind of just makes sense for us because like a lot of what we do, we strip down all of the excess and just kind of based on like the fit, because it was just fits that we haven't found from a lot of brands out there. And we wanted to make ourselves, and if they are doing it, it's usually like a women's piece like that, you know, like an oversized crop jacket. So yeah.
Sick. So how was the because obviously you did the initial launch in Macca's. How did that go?
Yeah. It went great, man. We had like a line of like 60 kids around the block coming in to try to buy stuff. So we had to like, you know, try to like say, hey, can you like line up here? And then like we're gonna let 10 people in at a time. And the first thing that everyone grabbed was the denim jacket.
Yeah.
When I'm like punching myself out, we should have made more, but it's all good. Like
it makes it
like
exclusive.
Considering a restock, but then there's that whole like, there's like the Supreme model that's so intriguing, like where if you don't get it, you don't get it. I'm
For
sorry,
sure.
but then there's like, God, like so many people want to support us and want this piece. Like, do we really like deprive them of that and like not make like, I don't know. So we're like stuck in between that. We're talking to our guy and trying to see how quickly we can get it out. But I don't know. I know that like a lot of like you and Jacob are all gonna show it off. So I'm like, shit, like I probably should like figure that out soon. But we're gonna do a different variation on that jacket in the future. So you know, the striped jacket will be something that we keep doing, whether it be like a cream and then we do like the yellow. I don't know, some different color. In the future, but we kind of wanted to make that our signature piece.
That's sick, man.
Yeah.
So what would you say is your favorite piece out of the bunch?
So like me and Cole kind of both took like almost like 4 of the pieces were like my idea and 4 of the pieces were Cole's idea.
Okay.
Like my idea was the striped denim jacket and the skinny jeans with a high rise, and his was like, I really want to make a work jacket with like a cropped like straight leg pant, and I really wanted to make a crew neck and he really wanted to make a hoodie. So it was kind of like we kind of basically both made things that we wanted in our own wardrobes. So mine, I got the denim jacket. I showed Jake, I just showed this, but in Greece, this dude right here is wearing a black and like it's like a red purple striped jacket, and I was like, that would be sick if that was a denim jacket. So that was where we got the inspiration for that.
Gotcha.
So yeah, that was kind of like something I just saw when I was watching the movie, and that was kind of how it happened.
And then finally, because I don't want to bog you too much, plus I feel like you should. I feel like you should. I know you don't like to come back on YouTube, mate. But but you should. But you should, mate.
Yeah.
I'm gassed to see you. Like even if it's a video talking about the pieces, because I'm sure people tune in.
I should, because there's like a lot of stuff that we didn't put in the description that we
Yeah, 100%. But like with regards to, it's one of the favorite, for me anyway, one of my favorite elements of the denim jacket is the wash. Now I think you were talking about enzyme washers and like going through multiple layers.
So yeah, it's like this like super dark black Italian denim, and what he does is he like lays it, we lay it all out, and then we hand paint the stripes. So it's just like this full, you know, all the yardage, and then it's all hand painted, and then it's assembled. When it's assembled, it's like a pair of like, it's like so stiff. It's like a pair of raw jeans. Basically, you could like stack it on top. You could like lay it down and it would stay up. So it's like super vibrant bright red, super dark black. Before we put on buttons, it gets stone washed. So I don't know if did you find stones? Someone actually found stones inside their pocket.
Oh, did they?
That's how you know it's stone washed. So, you know, we don't scam this. When I say stone washed, so it gets stone washed just to like break in the fit, so it's not super raw. It's not raw denim, but you know, denim is stiff when you usually get it.
For sure.
At first, we only did one softening enzyme wash, and that was my first sample. So I got it back, and I was like, yeah, it's good, but it's like still a little vibrant red. It's like still a little too red for me right now. So our guy was like, all right, well, let me throw it in a second time. And when we did that second time, it like almost made it like the jacket like kind of like a dark gray, and then it like took a ton of the color away.
Okay.
And if you even like look in the pockets, you could pull out the fabric inside the pocket, the front pocket, and you'll see what it kind of looked like before, because it didn't really get hit. That didn't really get hit with the enzyme wash as much as the outside of the jacket.
Right, gotcha.
So yeah, we just wanted to do that second time, just to one, to make it softer, and two, to just strip as much color away as possible. So I think we're gonna keep doing 2 washes.
Fair.
Yeah, man, that's like the thing. Is like people don't really, you know, you see the final product, but there's just like
so much more to it.
That goes into it, like in all these like different decisions.
No,
like,
I feel that. And I think
errors and,
that's why I wanted to jump on the call, because I know that there's a lot of getting behind it, and obviously it is. I'm not saying it's super like priced up anyway. I think the prices are fairly reasonable.
Totally.
But to be able to understand what goes behind it, it justifies the price a lot more,
of course,
in my opinion.
We wanted first collection, we only did like 50 pieces per style. So
okay.
That was just minimums. We just were like, let's just make minimums.
See how well it does. Yeah, 100%, 100%.
I don't want to be like, have tens of thousands of dollars of product just sitting. So,
yeah. So when's the second collection? I mean, obviously it's early talks.
To LA. Yeah, we're flying down in the beginning of July or June 30th to start picking like swatches and doing sampling. So the next collection will be like a fall, winter. It'll be like October, I think. And our guy is pushing for us to do 20 pieces. So this first collection was 8. He's like, I want you to do 20 this time.
Big.
And I'm like, oh god. So we haven't technically started designing yet. Like, we're really not on the fashion calendar at all. Like, I know everyone's showing like spring summer 19, right?
Yeah.
And we're like not even designing fall winter 18. But we're so new that we don't have to follow.
For sure, 100%, 100%.
But yeah, man. So we want to push 20 pieces, and we got some. We sold out of jackets first, and pants. Like those are the 2 hardest things to sell online.
Yeah.
Usually shirts and hoodies are the first things.
Yeah, for sure.
So the fact that we sold out of pants and jackets first makes me super stoked for the future, because then that's like that's what we love to design.
100%.
Those are like the statement pieces. So I'm really excited to come up with new pants silhouettes, come up with new jackets. So
big.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Amazing. Any final messages? I mean, I'm gonna call you back later anyway.
I'm
gonna pick your brain more.
It's crazy. We've been if you add us if you put a story about us, we just add it to our own story, and we've been just getting so many people getting the product now. Me and Cole ship everything by hand, so it took a while. I'm sorry, it took like a week for a lot of you people, but it's hard to ship packages by hand and make it look presentable. So just know that it's coming with love. This support has been overwhelming, so it's amazing to see. And I just want to give a shout out to you for the media wise. I'm a little mad. People that don't know I was supposed to be a judge. I got hit up by the people that were supposed to fly me out to Berlin. I would have voted for you, boy. Because I do like Ricky and I do like Magnus, but I think Sanj can get that.
Oh, mate, we've got the exclusives now, mate. This video is gonna get clickbaited the out of it.
I don't know who they got instead of me, because it was up until 4 days before the event is when they told me I'm sorry, whatever. But yeah, no, it would have been fun, man. I'm glad that you had that opportunity.
For sure, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah,
for sure.
I'm stoked to be talking to you. You're my favorite guy on YouTube. So yeah, absolutely, man. I'm 100% down.
Anyway, I'm gonna message you afterwards, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Everyone. Appreciate it.
Peace.
Thank you so much.
Safe, brother. Peace. There we go, mate. But yeah, man, that is that from Bare Knuckles. 2 beautiful pieces. Moving on to package number 2. Now, this banger right here, man. Barneys. And the story behind these. I've been after these pretty much ever since I first came across them. Never able to cop them because they were just ridiculously overpriced. I think they retailed here in the UK for 1.2k. And that is in pounds, right? And then I knew that they weren't going to sell because they're just not going to be everyone's cup of tea. So I waited till they went on sale, and then even in the sale, they were still relatively overpriced, unless I was shopping on a US website. Came across them on a US website, never in my size. So I was like, okay, great, they're out of season now. I'm never gonna come across them. They completely sold out everywhere. Then one of you guys actually hit me up on Instagram saying, yo, bro, these boots are back on sale. Go check them out right now. Went on there, they had my size, which is absolutely crazy. And so here we have it here today. Tissue paper, Barneys, New York. Bro, the box is so... I mean... 1 second. So this is the box right here in comparison to the cardboard one. Definitely unnecessary. They are from Calvin Klein, 205W 39, 205 West 39 NYC. And, oh, man. Take off the lid. Tissue paper. Ooh! Ooh! God damn, they're so fit. They're so fit. And they go with the colours, look. Yay. We've got some Calvin Klein Western boots with the metal toe cap in the more cowboy cut, I guess. Black leather with this sort of red, deep burgundy stripe on both sides of the shoe. Okay, so what I like about it is how soft and supple this top bit is, because then that just means you're able to slip your foot in there a lot easier. These are a thing of beauty. Now I've got the Calvin Kleins here. This was just the black leather and the black Chelseas. I made a huge mistake of purchasing these in a size 40, which is one down from my regular size. And with this guy, I made sure to stay true to size in a size 41. They should fit me better, and therefore I'll be able to wear them a lot more than I don't. And therefore I should be able to, can't speak, and therefore I should be able to wear them a lot more than I wear these. Absolutely love this, man. These are so buff and they're so soft as well, which does indeed mean though that I can now sell these, make space for them. And I got these for an absolute, I didn't even carry on with my story, I got these for an absolute steal from Barneys. It was reduced from $1.4K to $600, and then they had a 70% off on top of that. And on that specific day, they had a 30% off on top of that. So it came up to, I think it was like 80 pounds for me to purchase these. And then I paid for shipping and customs and whatnot. So man, what a thing of beauty. I absolutely love these, man. They're so buff. I'm so happy. I'm like super gassed, man. But that is that, man, for this video. I reckon this video's gone a bit longer than I had initially anticipated, but thank you ever so much for watching this. As I said, I'm going to Switzerland tomorrow, and then I'm going to Dubai on Sunday, so hopefully there should be a lot more interesting content popping up. If you wish to follow me on my social media, it's all right here in this corner, Sangiev. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And that is it from me. Have a beautiful day. Take care. Peace.